Welcome back to day 2 of our yoga journey. I'm Jashandeep Kaur, and today we're focusing on something beautifully simple: deep breathing. Just a few slow breaths can help you feel more calm, clear, and connected. Find a comfortable position. You can sit cross-legged on the floor, sit on a chair, or even lie down. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and hands resting gently, maybe one on your chest and one on your belly. Close your eyes softly, or lower your gaze. Let's begin. Breath 1. Inhale, slowly through your nose. 2, 3, 4. Hold. Exhale, gently. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breath 2. Let's go again. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Exhale, release. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breath 3. Soft inhale. Let your belly rise. 2, 3, 4. Hold. Exhale. Feel the tension melt away. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breath 4. Breathe in calm. 2, 3, 4. Hold. Breathe out slowly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breath 5. Last one together. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. Exhale. Completely. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Just sit quietly, and feel the calm you've created. You've just practiced mindful breathing, a small step, but a powerful one. If you feel lighter and calmer, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tomorrow, in day 3, we'll gently release tension from the neck and shoulders. Don't miss it.